outlined to you in your office, we would be very happy to have the chance of handling your new 12-inch long playing records, and I would like to see you again in your office early next week.
I think you missed that. Oh. Ow, I'm sitting on. It's moving. I swear to God, it's moving. Ow, it's gonna be this thing is gonna be imprinted in my ass for like 2 weeks.
Whoa, what am I getting up for?
I'm gonna challenge you to Mortal Kombat.
Oh, right. Who's that?
Ready?
No.
You have to attack me.
Stop!
Hey, Alex.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Pick up weapon! Launch!
No, you're not allowed using that.
Oh no, you're gonna tiger style me. I don't want to.
No, I won't do anything to you.
Ow.
Get up and stand up. Don't give up the fight, Alex. You're supposed to be saying ow and beating the crap out of you.
But you're not. Where did it come Ow! Oh, Jesus.
Sounds like 30 seconds.
It does. And I swear to God, if it doesn't stop kicking him and kick him right in the balls.
And then it will be dirty.
Ow! Shit! What the hell is this? Mortal Kombat!
Look how red his face is. Who won?
I think it was me because I'm still alive.
Let's go, Alex. Mortal Kombat is not over. Ow.